How do we find our value streams? First up, we're identifying our value streams. We're not yet improving them, which is what value stream mapping is all about. This is value stream identification. First, we list what we sell or offer, the value we are creating for our customers. Let's say we sell books, music, tablets, and cloud services. Then we look at who wants these values. What kind of customer is each service or product serving? Let's say we sell books to readers and music to music lovers, both kids and bigger kids. Tablets to anyone who buys online, and cloud services to IT people, as well as machines. Now we want to look at how those values are triggered. The book value starts when someone wants to read a book, and our job is to be there to help. Music listeners are pretty much the same way. Tablets, somewhat differently. The cloud service trigger is somewhat different when a human decides they want to buy a cloud service from when a machine triggers the need for more cloud, so we split them up. Now we have value streams. They start with a need, and we, our awesome people, build that value step by step until we can deliver it to our customers, who in return pay us with money, time, or such. And we can start to see patterns and group things together, trying to optimize for speed, so we can change as fast and independently as possible to our customers' changing needs. Next, we look at the steps where value is created. On a high level, these steps can be very similar. But if you go a little bit more into details, there will be differences, so we try to add those here. A book, for example, you might want to see a review first. But with the cloud service, you might want to try it first. Then we add the different systems we need to create and deliver our values in our different streams. And add what people are working on what systems. And now we are at the magic moment, where we try to organize around our value streams and optimize for speed. So we try to group people so their focus can be on as few things as possible and in a way that have as few dependencies as possible, but with a dash of realism and economic view. It's often too expensive to let everyone have everything in their own value stream, so some things are shared. And voila! Now we can see some smart ways of organizing ourselves to be able to keep up with our customers' changing needs. Note that this doesn't mean that everyone needs to change which department they belong to. That part we can keep intact if we want to. This is about how we collaborate and network together and what will be our focus. And by the way, this grouping will be roughly right, but not exactly wrong. And it will change over time. So we must keep an eye on this map and re-evaluate it from time to time. And now that's how you find your value streams.